How to close Etoro account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna walk you through the steps on how you can close your Etoro account. So in order to close or delete your Etoro account, you'll have to log in. For that, open up a browser, type in etoro.com and enter in your credential, log into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, and right on this page, you have to go ahead and tap on the gear icon located in the bottom left hand side corner of your screen. Next page, you'll be taken to the settings page, and here you have to go ahead and tap on the menu from the top. So as you click on it, and right at the bottom, you'll be able to see click here to close your Etoro account. Go ahead and tap on it. As soon as you click on it, a pop-up menu appears right in center. So you have to give a reason why you're actually leaving or closing your account. So select the category first of all and press the continue button. Now, as you're done selecting the platform, give a reason why you're actually closing the account. So go ahead and select that and click on the continue button. Next, you'll be asked to look into this following statement. So if you're sure about it, then just go ahead and tap on the confirm button. But once you're done confirming, you'll not be able to recover your account. So that's basically how you can close or delete your Etoro account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.